Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. Previously, we've already learned 10 essential Chinese verbs. In these 10 essential Chinese verbs, we learned 会. But actually, can in Chinese, we have more than one vocabularies. 会 is just one of it. Today, let's take a look at all of the cans in Chinese. They are 可以,能,会,行. The meaning of them will be slightly different. 会, which we've already mentioned. This one is only one has the meaning of know how to do something because of you learned the skill. 可以,能, they're all close to can. Can you do something? I can do something because of some reasons. 行 is more close to alright, okay, fine, generally be used for you answer can you do something questions. 我可以开车,我能开车. They all can translate directly to I can drive. 我会开车, this is I know how to drive. I have the drive license. Now the difference between 可以开车 and 能开车. 可以 contains the meaning of I can, I know how to do. Also, I will like to do. I like to do the thing. For example, when you hang out with some friends, others all getting drunk and you are the only one didn't take any alcohol, then in this situation you can say I would like to take you guys back home. 我可以开车. I can and I would like to do. And when we use 行, generally it's at the end of the sentence. We can't say 行 or 不行 do something. We can't say 我行开车. That is a wrong sentence. We only can say 我可以,我能,我会开车. Let's see them in a dialogue. 你明天可以 or 能开车吗? Can you drive tomorrow? And the answer could be 可以,能,没问题,好啊。你明天有时间一起吃饭吗? Do you have time to have food together? 明天不行. Tomorrow can't. I can't do it tomorrow. 周五可以. We try to use different verbs. So 明天不行,周五可以. 你会游泳吗? 会啊. Do you have this skill? Do you know how to do? 你会游泳吗? 会啊。那我们周末一起去游泳吧. Then, this weekend, let's go to swim together. 一起去 do something. 最近不行 currently I can't. 昨天我玩滑板摔断了腿. So giving the reason. Yesterday I hurt my leg while skateboarding. 最近几个月都不能游泳了. Current couple of months or couldn't swim because my injured. So 不能 do something. Another situation to use 能 or 可以 is during we have Chinese classes. Many students will say, could you repeat? Could you say it again? You can say 你可以 or 能再说一遍吗? Many students are wondering, should I say 请, which means please, in this sentence? Actually, you don't need to. 可以 do something 吗? 能 do something 吗? This is already a polite way to ask people to do something really polite. Another example. 你能把今天上课的资料发给我吗? Can you send me the materials from today's class? 能 do something. Another common mistake many students are making is they think 请 is a polite way. The way for us to use polite way is different as English logic. Like this example, 请再说一遍. We use 请, but this sentence is not polite at all. It's kind of like an order. 请把今天上课的资料发给我. This is a little bit rude, and it's an order. So even though they contain 请, but they are not polite at all. The polite way should be 你能 do something 吗？你可以 do something 吗？ Okay, this is all of today's can in Chinese. I will see you in next video soon.